Let's travel back to 1930, a time when America was in the midst of the Great Depression. Life was challenging, and people found comfort in simple pleasures, especially homemade treats. In a small Massachusetts town, nestled among rolling hills and bustling main streets, stood a cozy inn that would soon become the birthplace of an icon. Inside the warm, inviting kitchen of the Toll House Inn, Ruth Wakefield, the inn's owner and baker, was preparing her signature butterdrop cookies for her guests. But on this particular day, she discovered she was out of baker's chocolate, a key ingredient in her recipe. Rather than disappoint her guests, Ruth decided to improvise, reaching for a semi-sweet chocolate bar she had on hand. She chopped the chocolate bar into small, uneven pieces and folded them into the dough, hoping the chocolate would melt and blend into the cookies as they baked. But as the aroma of fresh cookies filled the inn, Ruth soon realized something magical had happened. Instead of melting completely, the chocolate pieces softened but held their shape, creating delightful, gooey pockets of chocolate in every bite. The cookies emerged from the oven golden brown, their tops studded with glistening chocolate. Thus, the chocolate chip cookie was born, an accidental masterpiece that would soon capture the hearts and taste buds of people everywhere. Ruth served the cookies to her guests, who were instantly smitten by the unique combination of buttery dough and rich chocolate. Word of Ruth's delicious creation spread quickly, first throughout the town, then across the state, and soon, the entire country. Newspapers wrote about the new cookie sensation, and visitors flocked to the Toll House Inn just to try the famous treat. The blend of sweet, tender dough and semi-sweet chocolate proved irresistible. Bakers everywhere began experimenting with the recipe, eager to recreate the magic in their own kitchens. The chocolate chip cookie quickly became a staple in American households. Its texture, soft crumb with molten chocolate, set a new standard for cookies. The contrast between the chewy cookie and the pockets of melted chocolate was unlike anything people had tasted before, making each bite a delightful surprise. From that humble kitchen, a global phenomenon emerged. The chocolate chip cookie crossed borders and cultures, finding its way into bakeries, cafes, and homes around the world. It became a symbol of comfort, nostalgia, and the joy of sharing something sweet. Over the decades, the recipe evolved. Some added nuts, others experimented with different types of chocolate, but the core idea remained unchanged. Bits of chocolate nestled in sweet, buttery dough. The chocolate chip cookie became a canvas for creativity, yet always honored its original spirit. Every bite today is a tribute to that moment of kitchen ingenuity, a reminder that sometimes, the greatest legends are born from happy accidents and a dash of imagination. Fast forward to a modern food factory, where the art of cookie making has evolved into a symphony of precision, scale, and innovation. Here the process is no longer just about mixing ingredients, it's about orchestrating a flawless production that delivers the same irresistible taste, batch after batch, to cookie lovers around the world. In this bustling environment, cookie making is a precise science, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. Every step is carefully monitored, from the moment ingredients arrive to the final quality check. Production begins with massive mixers, towering machines capable of blending hundreds of kilograms of dough at once. These mixers are programmed for exact timing and speed, ensuring that every batch is perfectly uniform. The first ingredients to enter the mix are white sugar and brown sugar. Each is chosen for its unique impact. White sugar brings a clean, sweet flavor and helps create that signature crisp edge, while brown sugar, rich with molasses, adds moisture, chewiness, and a subtle caramel note. Brown sugar's molasses content is what gives cookies their soft, chewy centers and a depth of flavor that lingers on the palate. It's a crucial ingredient for achieving that perfect balance between sweetness and richness. Meanwhile, white sugar contributes to the cookie's structure, helping it spread just the right amount and develop a delicate crunch with every bite. The secret lies in the ratio of these sugars, a carefully guarded formula that determines whether a cookie will be soft and chewy or crisp and golden. Food scientists and bakers work together to perfect this blend, ensuring every cookie meets the highest standards. Next comes butter, lots of it, softened to just the right temperature. Butter is the heart of the cookie, providing richness, tenderness, and that unmistakable melt-in-your-mouth sensation. The quality of butter is crucial. Only the finest, freshest butter is used, as it delivers not just flavor, but also the luxurious texture that sets these cookies apart from the rest. Each ingredient is weighed with digital accuracy, down to the gram. This meticulous attention to detail guarantees consistency, so every cookie tastes just as delicious as the last. Quality control is paramount. Inspectors sample cookies from every batch, checking for taste, texture, and appearance, ensuring that only the best make it to store shelves. With all ingredients assembled and measured, the mixer stands ready to begin the vital creaming process, a crucial step that transforms simple ingredients into the dough that will soon become the world's favorite cookie. The mixer springs to life, starting the creaming stage. Sugar crystals cut into butter, trapping air and creating a pale, fluffy mixture. This aeration is essential for the cookie's lift and tender texture. Skilled operators monitor the process, stopping at the perfect, creamy consistency. Now, the stars arrive, semi-sweet chocolate chips, designed to hold their shape during baking. The mixer gently folds the chips in, ensuring even distribution without breaking them. Each scoop of dough is now studded with chocolate, promising gooey bites in every cookie. The dough is ready for its next transformation. Time to add the dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, and salt. Flour gives structure, baking soda helps the cookie rise, and salt enhances flavor. Mixing slows to avoid overworking the dough, keeping cookies tender. Next, whole eggs and pure Madagascar vanilla are added for richness and aroma. Eggs bind and moisten, while vanilla deepens the flavor profile. The mixer blends everything just until combined, preserving the dough's ideal texture. The result: a thick, fragrant dough, ready for shaping. The exact recipe is a closely guarded secret. From simple ingredients, a perfect cookie dough emerges. Now, it's ready for the next stage: portioning. The dough moves to the former, a machine that portions it into perfect rounds. Under pressure, dough is pushed through dies and sliced into uniform pieces. Each round drops onto a conveyor belt, identical in size and weight. Precision ensures even baking and consistent quality. The former can switch sizes quickly, adapting to different product lines. Thousands of dough rounds are produced in minutes. Each puck is a promise of deliciousness, ready for baking or freezing. The transformation from bulk dough to individual cookies is complete. Now their fate, baked fresh or preserved, awaits. Many dough rounds are flash frozen for the food service industry. They travel through a nitrogen-cooled freeze tunnel, dropping to sub-zero temperatures in minutes. Flash freezing forms tiny ice crystals, preserving texture and freshness. The process locks in quality, making the dough easy to transport and store. Frozen rounds are durable and bake up just like fresh dough. This method allows restaurants and cafes to serve warm, just-baked cookies on demand. The freeze tunnel is the unsung hero, extending the cookie's reach far beyond the factory. Quality and convenience, perfectly preserved. Before packaging, frozen dough rounds pass through a metal detector for safety. Any contaminated product is instantly removed, ensuring consumer safety. Cleared rounds move to automated packaging lines. Boxes are assembled, lined, and filled to precise weights by automated scales. Consistent portions are crucial for inventory and customer satisfaction. Sealed and labeled, boxes are stacked on pallets for freezer storage. Rigorous quality checks at every step guarantee a safe, reliable product. Only the best make it to shipping. The journey from dough to delivery is tightly controlled. In the heart of the bakery, the journey of a cookie begins with simple rounds of dough. Some of these dough rounds are destined to be baked right here, in-house, for direct sales to eager customers and for carefully curated gift tins that spread joy far and wide. Each batch is prepared with precision, ensuring that every cookie starts its life with the same promise of deliciousness. Every single dough puck is hand-placed onto trays by skilled bakers. The spacing between each puck is deliberate, allowing room for the dough to spread just enough during baking. This careful arrangement is crucial. It's the first step in guaranteeing that each cookie bakes evenly, with just the right amount of space to grow into its final, perfect form. Once the trays are ready, they're loaded into massive commercial convection ovens. These ovens are equipped with rotating racks, a feature that ensures every tray receives consistent heat from all sides. This rotation is key to achieving an even bake, so that no cookie is left underdone or overbaked, no matter its position in the oven. For 7 minutes, at a precise 300-degree fry, the dough undergoes a remarkable transformation. As the heat works its magic, the dough puffs up, spreads out, and begins to caramelize. You can watch as the cookies rise, their edges turning golden while the centers remain soft and inviting. It's a mesmerizing process, a true alchemy of ingredients and temperature. The result is a tray of golden chewy cookies, each one boasting crisp edges and pockets of molten chocolate. The contrast between the crunchy exterior and the gooey chocolate-filled center is what makes these cookies so irresistible. Every bite offers a perfect balance of textures and flavors, crafted through careful attention to detail. As the cookies emerge from the oven, a wave of warm, sweet aroma fills the bakery. The scent of freshly baked cookies is unmistakable, drawing staff and customers alike toward the source. It's a sensory signal that a new batch of perfection has just been created, ready to be enjoyed. Every detail in this process matters, from the precise spacing of dough on the trays to the careful rotation of racks inside the oven. Bakers monitor each step, making small adjustments as needed to ensure that every cookie comes out looking and tasting exactly as it should. Uniformity is not just a goal, it's a standard that defines the quality of the bakery. Here, the science of baking meets the art of the perfect cookie. Bakers rely on their senses, sight, smell, and touch, to judge doneness, breaking open cookies to check for the ideal texture. Each cookie is lined up and inspected, ensuring that only the best make it to the display or into a gift tin. In just a matter of minutes, what began as simple dough is transformed into an irresistible treat. The change is dramatic. Soft, pale rounds become golden, aromatic cookies, ready to delight anyone who takes a bite. It's a testament to the transformative power of heat, time, and skilled hands. This is the magic of the chocolate chip cookie, realized in every batch. From humble beginnings to a bakery showcase, each cookie is a small masterpiece, warm, inviting, and impossible to resist. The alchemy of baking turns simple ingredients into moments of pure joy, one cookie at a time. Freshly baked cookies face one last inspection for size and shape. Technicians measure each batch to ensure consistency. Only cookies meeting strict standards move on to packaging. Cooled cookies are layered in decorative tins lined with cellophane. The packaging preserves freshness and adds a festive touch. Cookies are arranged to prevent breakage during shipping. The tin is sealed tight, locking in flavor and aroma. Each package is boxed and readied for delivery. From accidental invention to carefully crafted gift, the cookie's journey ends here. Precision, passion, and a dash of luck. Every tin tells the story of a legend.